Autumn has come to Switzerland, and with it, the time for Juckerfarm annual pumpkin exhibition. There are 4 locations where you can admire pumpkins built in various displays: Juckerhof at Seegraben, Bächlihof in Jona, Spargelhof in Ratz, and Römerhof in Glotten. On this occasion we visited Bächlihof in Jona. First pumpkin exhibition at Juckerfarm was held in 1997, when the farm had extraordinary harvest of pumpkins and they had to do something with them. They piled them up in the courtyard and separated them by type. The farm visitors were amazed and the pumpkin exhibition was born. Since then they got very creative and they built pumpkin statues in different shapes and sizes. This year's theme is the jungle, and at Bächlihof you can admire statues of indigenous Amazonian lady, parrot, crocodile, and some others. Apart from pumpkins built in different structures, you can also observe different animals, Exhibited pumpkins are all produced in the fields around the Spargelhof in Ratz. Here on Bächlihof you can pick the blueberries, and apples also grow here. Bächlihof is ideal destination to visit with kids. Kids can drive the little tractor, play in the big sand pit, climb up the straw bouncy castle, and pet the goats at the goat enclosure. Our little one loved it. Part of Bächlihof is also a really beautiful farm store where you can buy pumpkins and other farm produce. If you get hungry, there is also a restaurant where you can have a delicious meal. You can even try pumpkin beer like my father-in-law.
Dobro.
Hello.
Zelo je dobro.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good.